matuko abiroka magiga yuko bwatuko wechibesa cha nyota uchasaba sai be kaunti ya Kisii area Nyamira na boigo ya Migori nigo bono rituko ria rero muri kyobutambe ase wizara yobwerane bwa mang'ana Stephen Isaboke anyara gutarera oyo mubwa basae abo banyora chibesa rituko ria Alhamisi ka kumutarera ase omochie obosongo nigo bono musae oyo ase rieta Josephat Kirongo bono anyara gusanga na boigo korokia omugokoye buna obugima bwae bwa onchoreire gusibuna nyarire kuba kagusiro na ichibese cyo cya nyota muri keto Daniel Ontiri no roboti orasenchera engikerano
na matukaberoka haitire koro chingaki chikubotukwa wechibese cha nyota asaba sae koro ase kaunti ya Kisii kaunti ya Nyamira neria ya Migori umwega okoregeta sigeti kya Gusii Stadium echicharingite gokonya abasae kwegendereria haso bonchirire bwabo kubotekana nayo umurikyo botambe asa mang'ana yoborania umuske Stephen Isaboke negati ya bararia nigori tukorerero batarero musa oyomo Josephat Kirongo omonchoria haso mocho songo oyomo wabaria benyorete chibese cyo cya nyota okwana chinga kecho Kirongo nigakwanderesa bali yaye yokwironerera nesimiya yakoboko egati yabasaye bande ange chimilioni 2 kenyengima umuroberio wa maegerio no basemia igoro yobonchureria egati yayande na komenta buna ekiga niyo kyamwete libagaligia liyo kwegendereria.
As when I received the money immediately, honestly I was thrilled in a way that, you know, I've ever got that kind of cash myself, mine. But, you know, in terms of challenges and, you know, struggling, and again now you have that amount again. I was happy with that because I knew it could save me a lot because I was, in the business, I was handling so many challenges, to be honest. And this was because of, you know, lack of enough capital. You know, a customer needs this, you don't have it. And you're like, you need to go to take it to another shop and some customers will tell you, I'll not wait. You know, those were challenges that I was incurring. But with this money, I'm confident enough.
Asense mwende umuske Isaboke nigakwanira mukia we serikali ya Dr. William Ruto nekirenga kigosira basaye asoko ene kibuna amagimabo haoncholerie
igente kiabeto koba president ito anjita basaye nande kuriya basaye bali mono patari kwenyara gose batari goje kunyara wekonya anye serikali tari goje bakonye because nabaruna bakenya nabaruna abantu batakire kwenyora ubugima bwabo komenta igoro yayo wisiye ito ebintu ne bingo manene byense nabarayi baito bakwanire bigoja goje bikonya abantu baito ndiki yabono iga taringa kia siasa aba mwakwana bagoje gutenda mwana yikikora mbaje batangase ngakiyo bono iga tulisa poli turigere limono mono tokonya abana baita basaye baito na rugusina barabange tokonya abantu baito toreta magendero
nkoroboterega tasene kya gatembe kurega se kaunti ya Kisii reterane ngoro kwa Daniel Ontiri.